To learning by doing with Praveen Kandan. This is Praveen. In this Java string programming playlist, we will learn string programs from the scratch. This is Java string programming session number 23, index of and last index of methods. If you are confident about learning, then like the video, subscribe the channel for more update. Please click the bell icon and select all notifications. Don't choose personalized option. You may miss some session updates. Let's get started. In our previous session, we have discussed about equals and equals ignore case. In this session, we'll discuss about the most important interview questions, index of and last index of. So many of the beginners are confused while they are starting their learning. After some time only they can able to understand this method. But I'm trying to clear all your queries in the first attempt itself. So keep on watching this carefully. Okay. So first we discuss about the index of method. So what will return means return the position of the first occurrence of the specified character or string in a specified string. It return the index number of particular character or string. This is what the concept. Okay. In a given specified string. So there are four methods available in index of itself. We'll discuss it one by one. All are overloaded. So first one, index of, you are giving only character. It returns that particular character index. Example, if I'm calling Arun, Arun is having some register number 1. Am I right? So Arun refers register number 1. Bala refers register number 2. So like that, we are doing giving one character and then returning that index number. We'll try. See here. So my sample reference variable is yes. Object is Abhijit. So I'm showing the memory representation here itself for your better understanding. So always index starts with 0 and end with n minus 1. Totally 8 characters in this Abhijit. So n minus 1 means 7. 0 to 7 is the index number. So always keep it in mind. If you're going with the index of, the search direction is from left to right. Search direction is from left to right, start to end. Last index of means right to left. That is end to start. Keep it in mind. Always it will confuse. So please clear with this. So if you're finding means it is the first occurrence. Index of means first occurrence. Last index of means last occurrence. Search direction is very important. Search direction is very important. Okay. First, we'll discuss it one by one with the examples. Then you'll get an idea. First, I'm going with the character. So, index of, what is that? Index of character. Am I right? This was the syntax first one. Index of the character. You'll return as a integer. Okay. You'll return as a integer. So, s dot index of s, what it stores? Object Abhijit. Index of h means it will search from, index of means which direction it will search, left to right. So from left to right it will check where that h is present. So first occurrence, am I right? Index of means first occurrence. What is that occurrence? H is occurring here. What's the index number? 2. We'll check whether it returning 2 or not. I'm running the code now. Check it out. 2 is running. In case if I'm giving I, then what's the output? Obviously it will search from left to right. So what's the first occurrence? I is 3. That is the third index. So you're getting the output now. I hope you're clear with this. Am I right? Next. This time I'm going with another method. What is that means? Int character. There is a character. We are giving the character. Actually, you should change it as a char in the syntax. Char, comma, int from index. That is, usually it start from the 0 while you are searching. Okay. Usually it will search from left. That is from 0th index. But this time I don't want to start from first. I like to start from my favorite number. That is from a given index. That is I can, as a user I can give some index. So from that index only you have to search. So usually it starts from 0. That is searching start from 0. So 2 we are getting. But this time my search to that is my search to start from fifth index. My search to start from fifth index. Here only the search is starting. So what's that index number? H is occurring index number is 7. We'll check whether we are getting that output or not. We are still now we are dealing only with the character. Keep it in mind. We are still now we are dealing only with the character. Index of h means So it start from the which number? 5. So that's why I'm getting as a 7. Got it? But previous one, I'm executing both. So usually it starts from the left side of, that is from starting from 0 means 2 will occur. See here, 2 is occurring. Next time, what is that? Index of h is occurring which time? From the index 5 only I'm going to search. From the index 5 only I'm going to search. What is the index number? 7. So that's why I'm getting the output as 7. So this is about character. Next, in case if I'm giving the wrong number out of index 30, what will the output? This is the important three questions. It will give the result as -1. If that particular character is not in that given index, return the value as -1. It indicates that character is not within that limit. It is there, but from where we are starting from 30, actually the limit is 7, 0 to 7. Even if I'm giving 8, you will get the result as -1 because it's crossed that limit index number. If I'm giving 7, you'll get the output. What is that? 7, because 7 is inclusive. See here, 7 is inclusive. So like that they can ask in any number of ways. Okay, you should be clear with this. Okay, next I'm going with the string because we have discussed so far character with given direct index, that is with int character by default index and from user index in character comma in from index. Leave this int ch in ch, it is not right one. Okay, so it is a character, simply char ch. So int from index, that is a purely integer. Next moving on to the like character how we are discussed. Now we are going to discuss with the substring. I'm going to give some string, so that will also start from by default left to right, that is 0. Start from 0. So I'm uncommenting the line number 15. Check the output, index of D. So here any letter like D is present? No. So the output is automatically what will return? -1. See here. In case if I'm giving the character like HI, see the output? HI. So where it is starting? Here only. So but it'll start from 0. It will search from 0, but where the character is occurring? From second index. So output is now 2. Output is 2. Okay, in case if I'm giving dh, what will happen? Dh is not present. Am I continuously d and h character is not present, so the output is -1. Now I'm going with string I itself, but starting from fourth. Usually what will happen if I'm giving I alone? Start from 0th index, it will check. So third index it is occurring, so the output is 3. Line number 17 is 3. If I'm changing the index, starts it will not start with 0, it starts with 4. It starts with 4. Where it is now occurring? Fifth index. Where it is occurring? Fifth index. See here. So that's the reason we are getting output as 5. I hope you are clear with this index of. Next we'll move on to the last index of. You're primarily looking on first occurrence only. Okay, first occurrence. Here completely opposite, returns the last index of the character value or substring. Okay, returns the last index of the given character or substring. If it is not found, as usual returns -1. Okay, as usual index counter starts from 0. Last occurrence, so first, what is that? Char ch. Please change it, it is not in ch, char ch. So I will go with last index of. Here I'm changing the input string for your better understanding. Randomly provided some input. So S is a reference variable stored in the stack memory. This is the object stored in the SCP, string constant pool. So what is that? S dot index of, usually what will happen? First occurrence. So starting from 0, this direction. So what's the output then? Output will be 0. Okay, next same thing I'm going to use now for last index. And I told you the last index value will be returned last occurrence. So as usual start from 0, but last one. Okay, starts from the one. This is what we already clearly mentioned, that last index of. So right to left only we have discussed. So you can go with any occurrence, okay, but occurrence wise if you are seeing means last occurrence is here, okay, but direction is what is that means right to left. Direction is what is that right to left. See here, last index of right to left. From here please start, okay. So last occurrence means what is that? By default it start from here, so what is that? D, okay. Default it start from the end because this is the direction right to left. So what is the D is occurring at index number 10. This direction, search direction finds in the sense that is last occurrence. While yes, normally in normal view if you are seeing the last occurrence where is occurring here, so that is also 10. So either you go with search direction or with finds, that's up to you. Okay, search direction is always recommendable. So right to left, what's the characters occurring? That is D is occurring at the index number 10. That's it. Please take it. Next, if I'm giving index, I'm giving index of D comma 4. So where it is, start from the search direction left to right. Am I right? Left to right. So D starts from the which one? 4. So from 4, if you're seeing where is D is occurring? Here, 9. Am I right? Check it out whether it is getting the output or not. Yes, 9. Because you are giving that value. Okay, so from index from 4. You are seeing here while you're seeing finds means the first occurrence characters D is occurring here, direction also left to right. Same thing I'm going to do with the last index of. Same thing I'm going to do with the last index of. Okay. Same thing I'm going to do with the last index of. So if you're coming with the direction, okay, from your, okay, from this direction you're coming. So what you are giving means initially, wait, so I'm not giving 5 now, directly exiting. So from last right to left, am I right? So D is occurring where that is 10. Am I right? If you're using like this, it will be 10. Next, I'm going with D comma 5 means what is that? So starts from here, okay. So which one? From right to left only you're starting. From which index? 5. So here while you're saying which one is first, from right to left means third index. See the output? Direction wise, if you're coming, that is the 3. Okay, you're getting the output as 3. If you're searching with direction, if you're finding that option also, if you're finding also, what will happen? From last, so from where you're saying from fifth index, if you're seeing here also, it will comes under D only. So please go with the direction itself. Don't confuse with this find and search directional. Only one thing, search direction is recommendable. Go with right to left from 5. So which one is occurring? This D is occurring. That's it. Okay, this particular point. Next, what about DD? If I'm giving index of left to right direction, so where the DD is first time occurring here only. So 0 is the answer. Okay. So next I'm going with same DD. First we'll check last index of. So at last from it's coming. So what is the output from the last index if you are coming? See the output. What is the output? Any guess? Yes, 9. The last direction from right to left where it is coming here only. So DD 9. Got it? Such direction from right to left. Next, if I'm giving H, what is happen? Last index of H, 8 should come. Right to left. Yes. Last occasion, H comma 17. H comma 17. We'll check what is happening here. So 17 is not in our index, then automatically what's the output? Minus 1. I hope you are clear with this. Wait. In last index of H comma 17 I'm giving from right to left only. Yes. Wait. Actually, we are coming from right to left. Am I right? We're coming from right to left in that area. So what is happening? h comma 17. So occurrence is 7. It is not going below 0, am I right? So if you're coming from left, right, there is index of means you will get as a minus 1. Okay, I'll prove you now. Wait, good question. Occasionally we tried, we are getting the task now. So first copying and then pasting here. Index of I'm giving. I'll comment the last index of now. Okay, see the output. Index of h comma 17 I'm giving. See here minus 1. From left to right, it is crossed their limit. Till the end is going somewhere. Left to right. This is also the best example. It is moving from left to right direction. This is moving from right to left. See here. This time what is happening? From right to left means here some portion is there. Okay, 11 is still there. Right to left, so we having some zero only the end point. So what's the occurrence? H is occurring at 8 only. So that's why I'm getting the output as 8. In case if I'm giving minus 1, then we may expect the output like a minus 1. Am I right? Because the limit is crossed. But from the beginning, there is no value and all because we are coming from some direction. Okay, 17 or something. So we having some value. Okay, should be clear with this. If you found the session useful, like the session, subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.